Welcome back to our channel, your new home for mastering medical school lectures. This is part 2 of our Physiology Lecture Series, and today we'll be discussing the structure of the cell in detail. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss part 3. Also like this video and share it with your colleagues. Let's learn and grow together. Alright, let's begin. Each cell consists of a cell body and a covering membrane called the cell membrane. The cell body itself has two major parts, the nucleus and the cytoplasm surrounding the nucleus. Cell membrane composition. The cell membrane is mainly composed of three substances. 1. Proteins, about 55%. These include carrier proteins and channel proteins, which transport ions and larger polar molecules. Receptor proteins respond to hormones. Integral proteins provide stability. Pump proteins like the Na+K+ ATPase are essential for active transport. 2. Lipids, about 40%, mainly phospholipids, which form the bilayer structure of the membrane. Cholesterol regulates membrane fluidity. 3. Carbohydrates, about 5%. Examples include glycoproteins and glycolipids. These are important for cell recognition, immune responses, and cell-to-cell communication. Functions of the cell membrane. The cell membrane performs vital functions: protection of cytoplasm and organelles, selective permeability and absorption, excretion of metabolic wastes, gas exchange, oxygen enters, carbon dioxide exits, and it maintains cell shape and size. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance composed of about 80% water. It contains cytosol, the clear liquid portion, various particles such as proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and electrolytes, and numerous organelles with specific functions. Cytoplasmic zones, ectoplasm, the peripheral region beneath the membrane, and endoplasm, the inner region between ectoplasm and the nucleus. Cell organelles. Organelles are small functional units within the cytoplasm, essentially the organs of the cell. Membrane-bound organelles, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, and peroxisomes. Mitochondria, secretory vesicles, centrosome and centrioles, and the nucleus. Non-membrane-bound organelles, ribosomes, and the cytoskeleton. Each organelle has a distinct structure and specific function. Important exam tip: knowing which organelles are membrane-bound and which are not is a very common MCQ question. In part 3, we'll dive deeper into all cell organelles and their detailed functions. So don't forget, subscribe so you don't miss part 3. Like the video, share it with your friends and course mates. Let's keep learning and growing together. See you in the next lecture.